Namaste everyone. Congratulations Wisdom for the outstanding CBSE Grade 12 results 2020. Wisdom students have once again brought glory to the school and their parents in the CBSE Grade 12 results. Kinshuk has topped the district in medical stream with 97.6%, and Anshika is the school topper in commerce stream with 97%. Out of a total of 94 students who appeared in the examination, 15 students have scored more than 95% and 34 students have scored above 90%. As many as 77 students have been placed in the merit list. Our students have scored 99 in subjects like English, Sanskrit, painting and physical education. 98 in biology, business studies and economics. 97 in accountancy, physics and maths. And 96 in chemistry. Wisdom conducted a virtual meet with these students, congratulating and wishing them the best for their future. While the group photograph was virtual, our proud students did not compromise with their enthusiasm and exuberance. Wisdom congratulates the achievers and their proud parents and wishes them all the very best for the future endeavors. Thank you very much. Now I would like to invite Dipanshi of grade 8th Kaveri to take over with the morning assembly.
Namaste Wisdomites and welcome to the first morning assembly after the summer break, the Morning Star. I, Dipanshi, on behalf of grade 8th Kaveri, take the pleasure to conduct today's morning assembly. I am sure you must be missing school as much as I do. I hope the assembly should be a great way to catch up things we indeed are missing. Prayer is the only means of bringing peace and repose in our daily act. It is an essence of life. So, join a hand for prayer.
Namaste.
हर पल तुम्हारा
हर साथ है, फिर हमको डरने की क्या बात है। कठिनाइयों से न हारेंगे हम, तुमको हमेशा पुकारेंगे हम। अपने गले से हमें भी लगा लो दिल, अपने गले से हमें भी लगा लो दिल। आशा हमें है, विश्वास है, हर मुश्किल से विधाता निकालो दिल। चाहे मुश्किल से दिया है, संभालो दिल। जीवन तुमने दिया है, संभालो दिल। जीवन तुमने दिया है, संभालो दिल।
Thank you Surya and Gitansh on keyboard. Diya, Muskan, Kushdeep, Sonal, Vindhya, Medhavi, Pulkit, Asmita, Anusha and Priyanka ma'am on vocal and Amit sir on tabla. For the first assembly after the summer vacation, students from senior and junior wing got together virtually and performed the school prayer for us.
कुछ भी कायम नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं, और जो कायम है बस एक मैं हूँ। मैं जो पल पल बदलता रहता हूँ, मैं समय हूँ। Namaste everyone. Welcome back. I'm sure you all must have missed the assemblies. Trust me, nothing can be better than a morning assembly to keep our spirits high. Time and again, we have been providing our students with various opportunities to perform and showcase their talent and skill. On the same lines, we are now introducing a new feature in our assembly, that is the Thought Board. It is a platform where students can express their views or opinions on a particular topic but with different perspectives. Today, we have chosen the theme time just because we believe that a simple clock has important lessons to teach us in life. The most important lesson being time management. Let us hear from the students themselves as to what they think about time management, for which virtually present with us are Vedant, Dhanvi and Arshveer.
Namaste everyone, I am Arshveer from 8th Kaveri. People often talk of not getting enough time to do this and that, but how many of us know to use the time wisely? When our exams are closing, we start realizing importance of time. Actually friends, time is all in our hands. Utilizing time judiciously can help you to tackle difficult tasks in a given time. My way to manage the time is to make a timetable and follow it strictly. By the way, Vedant, have you made a timetable since exams are coming?
Namaste everyone. I am Vedant from 8th Kaveri. Yes, Yarshveer. I have made a timetable which allows me to complete all my work within time. In fact, following a good timetable allows me to accomplish more in shorter period of time. It enables me to work smarter and not harder even when the times are tight and the pressures are high. What do you think, Dhanvi?
Namaste everyone, I am Dhanvi Saini of grade 8 Kaveri. Today I am going to speak some lines on the topic importance of time management. There is a famous saying, time is money. I would say that time is life. So if you really want to make the most of your life, you must learn the secret of time management. Time management is optimal utilization of time. Time is a dynamic resource. Only people who use it wisely becomes successful in life.
Thank you, Dhanvi. So children, bear in mind to respect time. Because if you respect time, time will respect you. With that note, thank you children and over to you Dipanshi.
Thank you, ma'am. So, summer vacation's over. Back to classes. Hey, but you don't want to know what did we do in this break? So Devan will tell you more about how this summer break was different.
Thank you, Dipanshi. And namaste everyone. My name is Devan from grade 8. Until last year, summer vacation meant going to grandparents' house, amusement parks, family get-togethers, enjoying at a holiday destination. But this year, it is a different scenario. I'm sure you all will agree with me. Now, my classmates have spent their summer vacation in different way this year. Let's have a glimpse of it. Oh, so good to see their hidden talent coming out. Not only this, we also had students preparing for the periodics.
Thank you, Devan. Such an amazing utilization of time. Some of our friends are celebrating their birthday in this week. Let's congratulate them to put in an additional happy instant in their life. So, here's the birthday song. So, we have the birthday of the following student and this week. On 14th July, Vanshri from 9th Yamuna, Khyati from 11th Chanakya, Arshia from 10th Saraswati, Vaibhav from 11th Dhanvantri, Janvi from 12th Aryabhatta. On 15th July, Aditya Agarwal from 6th Kaveri, Yuvraj from 7th Saraswati, Ganesh from 8th Andus, Sargam from 9th Andus. On 16th July, Gurpreet from 9th Kaveri. On 17th July, Bhavya from 12th Chanakya. On 18th July, Mannat from 6th Yamuna, Jasprit from 6th Saraswati, Tanya from 8th Ganges. On 19th July, Bhavuk from 11th Chanakya. On 20th July, Garvish from 8th Yamuna, Ishan from 9th Yamuna, Dhruv Pratap from 10th Ganges, Shivansh from 11th Dhanvantri. Have to go now, but before, I would request everyone to rise for National Anthem. A starting always has an end. So, this is the end of today's morning assembly. I hope the assembly has boosted your energy level. All the best friends for your periodics. Thank you all and have a wonderful day ahead.